Good morning, students. Brajesh Singh, Subrat Singh Children Academy, strongly welcome in the history class. Students, first of all, I want to inform you, examination date is coming very fast, rapidly. You have to take extra attention in compared to previous days. Now, today is 7th October. Now, it's 8 days are remained. Don't take it lightly because this is examination having scrutinized your efficiency, your capabilities, and examination will ensure you your writing section, your confidence level. So overall, you have to take the permanent attention on the examination, and every paper must have taken very seriously. This is the platform you can check yourself for the next examination. Actually, 11th standard is the preparation class for the 12th standard. So all the examinations are very important. Personally, I want to recommend my message. Please focus extreme attention. Now come to the topic. The topic was running the Central Islamic lands. First of all, I want to give you the flashback. Muhammad Sahab especially focus on Makkah, declared himself Rasul. He expanded his followers widely, name and fame has spread it in long way. There were a lot of followers, but in the name of declaring Rasul, only Allah should be worshipped, and in Makkah, that's a special kind of shrine. I discussed you Kaaba, which is an international fame Kaaba, where a lot of the pilgrims go to pay his devotion, their devotion. These matters have been declared in the first videos, and just want to take the flashback about that here, what you have studied in previous batch, because we have to connect the matter of first video to second video, the connectivity of the first video and second video. This will be easier form to connect the events, because the history is the game of events. Until you don't connect the events from first, second and third portion and fourth portion, this cannot be exercised properly, the events updation of your moving forward. So I have declared, I have suggested you, I have lectured on the particular topic of the from migration from Makkah to Medina. Actually, Muhammad Sahab forced from Makkah to Medina. Under which circumstances, I have told you detailed. Muhammad Sahab established in Medina. They have expansion, their communities, their expansion of the religious matters. There were a lot of huge followers. Everything was running very good. Something creates in the middle part of the Medina, and Islamic calendar has been introduced. Till here I have declared in my previous video. Now next from 622 to 632, this was the migration to Makkah and Medina. Migration from Makkah to Medina under a specific circumstances. Muhammad Sahab, Muhammad established properly in 622 very important 622 very important date of establishment of the Muhammad Sahab, because in particular chapters of the history you have to mention the dates are correlated with the events. If you are not going to mention properly dates, the concept would not be clear more and more. So definitely from Makkah to Medina, the first question can be made, in particular which year Muhammad Sahab has migrated from Makkah to Medina. This was the 622. 622 was the migration year of Muhammad Sahab from where to? From Makkah to Medina. From Makkah to Medina. From Makkah to Medina. These are the circumstances, these are the places, these are the dates strongly correlated, because question can be asked on which year Muhammad Sahab migrated from Makkah to Medina. Definitely your answer will be 622. This question can be framed one-liner question answer, an MCQ. From which place, from in which year Muhammad Sahab migrated in Medina? You have to 622. What was the turning point of the Islam? The turning point of the Islam was migration of Muhammad Sahab. Migration of Muhammad Sahab. Migration of Muhammad, Paigambar Muhammad. Migration of Paigambar Muhammad. 622 from Makkah to Medina, and this is the expansion 622 from 600 to 32. Whatever the consequences took place in Medina in 622 to 32. Muhammad Sahab, expanded his followers. Muhammad Sahab expanded his followers and consolidated properly from external dangers. He established as super personality, as political leader, as political leader. These were the circumstances, these were the achievements of Muhammad Sahab when he has been migrated from Makkah to Medina. So from the date of 622 migration of Muhammad from Makkah to Medina, in between 10 years, what were the main achievements of the Muhammad Sahab? Migration from Makkah to Medina under specific circumstances, and Muhammad established properly in 622 migration of the Muhammad. And thirdly from Makkah to Medina, Muhammad expanded his followers and consolidated properly from external dangers. He established as super personality as a political leader. In case you can say there was huge expansion of empire. In Medina, number of followers were increasing as the high level of the personalities and the fame were spreading in the Medina as the Muhammad Sahab. You can say the very, very large, huge and impact political personalities has been established himself. These were the main achievements of the 622 and 32. This question can be raised properly in the examination. What were achievements? What were achievements regarding Muhammad from migration to Makkah to Medina? This question can be framed 4 marks and 5 marks in coming examination. What were the main achievements of Muhammad Sahab having migrated from Makkah to Medina? You have to strongly the point of these kinds of features are very, very affiliated to Muhammad Sahab developments. He has exercised a lot of the brilliant job in the expansion of Islam. Expansion. Now the first Muhammad established properly in 622 migration. You have to place in bracket migration of Muhammad. This shows your maturity. You have knowledge the migration date and put the underline, examination point of view, underline 622, a special connected to the migration of Muhammad. This is the, because you have to put pressure on the examiner. You have to put pressure on examiner. Examiners like they will have to impression that the student have mentioned properly what all kinds of the detailed things. This is called up the good impression on examiner, and definitely he or she must give you a very brilliant marks having observation of your contents. Contents should be in brilliant manner. Content should be in brilliant manner. You don't have any kind of misery from system to system. The first question goes to from 622 and 32. A lot of questions can be raised here. Establish Muhammad Sahab from Makkah to Medina 622. Makkah to Medina total timing from 622-32. The major question can be asked here. What were the main achievements of Muhammad Sahab having in Medina? 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 and 5 point. This can be expanded having 4 marks and 5 marks. And the very, very unfortunate day came in 632 demise of Muhammad. This was the turning point. You can mention in your literary language, having passed Muhammad Sahab in 632, it was the turning point for the Medina. It was the turning point for the future of the Medina. It was the turning point and shocked attitudes beyond of their followers, because all of a sudden departs in 32, the Islamic history converted into very shocked condition. 632 and 32 are running well all of a sudden. Unfortunately, they came in 632, demise of Muhammad. This can be very important question in the MCQ. This can be framed. On what year Muhammad Sahab passed away? On which year Muhammad Sahab demised? On which year Muhammad Sahab declared that particular day of the year 632, demise of the Muhammad Sahab? And it was the very, very turning point of the Islamic history, and all the followers were very cause of their special faith in Muhammad Sahab. He has lost personally in faith and beliefs. Definitely you can say in conclusion of the question, it was the turning point of the Islamic history. They have guardianless in literary language. On the basis of conclusion, you have to stick your own view. This is not very important. Unfortunate day came in 632, demise of Muhammad. You have to express your own view. Having departed of Muhammad Sahab in 632, what kind of impact on the history? Definitely you have to mention in own perception, own view. It was the big loss. It was the big loss for Islamic expansion. Behalf of their followers have lost their guardian. their real guardian, their brilliant guardian, it was the very impact of that. I have told the journey from 622, 632, having establishment in Makkah to Medina, and what were the achievements of the Muhammad Sahab between in this duration, and unfortunately they came in 632. Muhammad Sahab were religious, the founder, demise Muhammad and particular day. This was the turning point. On from forward here, situations are totally changed. Situations are totally changed. And the first, because legitimacy, it was the legitimacy of the Muhammad Sahab have no left. और आप जानते हैं कि मैक्सिमम हिस्ट्री में, खासकर मुस्लिम डायनेस्टी में आप देखेंगे कि एक लेक्टिमेसी प्रोपोर्शन किया जाता है कि जब कोई व्यक्ति एक्सपायर करता है, कोई व्यक्ति जाता है, तो एक अपना उत्तराधिकारी अनडिक्लेयर्ड उत्तराधिकारी जाता है कि इस व्यक्ति के पास शासन की बागडोर किसके हाथ में आएगी, जो सबसे काबिल होता है, जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण होता है, उसके नाम की चर्चा भी होने लगती है। लेकिन एक लिखित तौर पर every particular prominent leader and political personalities will have to declare about the उत्तराधिकारी, रिनेंस, कौन शासन को लेकर चलेगा, उसका जो है क्या कौन होगा, जिसको बोलते हैं लेक्टिमेसी। लेक्टिमेसी शुड बी profound, but it was not can be associated to Muhammad Sahab, because Muhammad Sahab got all of sudden death. So this was the speculation where spread. Speculation where spread. Now I will move from death from 632 to 661. What consequences had took place? Because this is the year Muhammad Sahab migrated, passed away, and from there consequences after death of Muhammad, what was the real impact? Having real impact on Islam direction, which was moving rapidly. What was the having real impact after demise of Muhammad Sahab? What was the real impact of Islamic direction? You can say all of sudden break. Took place. Question raised on leadership. Question raised on leadership. All of sudden break took place. All of sudden break took place. Break means रुकावट, एक रुकावट आई, एक व्यवधान आया, एक बैरियर आया, because lack of leadership. Everybody was associated and fully satisfied under the leadership of the Muhammad Sahab. Having expired of Muhammad Sahab, it was the big crisis before the leadership, because he had not declared the lack of legitimacy. कोई भी अपना उत्तराधिकारी मोहम्मद साहब चुन के नहीं गए थे, इसलिए स्वाभाविक, इट वॉज नेचुरली राइजिंग द बिग क्वेश्चन, हु विल बी नेक्स्ट लीडर. तो ऑल ऑफ सडन ब्रेक टुक प्लेस आफ्टर डेथ ऑफ मोहम्मद, हैविंग रियल इम्पैक्ट ऑफ इस्लामिक डायरेक्शन a little bit interval, a little bit barrier, and question raised on leadership. In this scenario, Ummah, you must remember, Ummah transferred power, very ambitious, very, you can say, comparatively worthiness leader, a transferred power. This was the turning point of Islam and main cause of the division of the Muslim. Division of Muslim community. This was, this question can be raised also. What was the turning point having got the death of the Muhammad Sahab, and what were the main causes of the division of Muslim communities? Definitely you have registered your answer at having transferred the power Ummah. Having transferred the power of Ummah, it was the turning point of Muslim communities, and he took in charge of the religious communication, having passed away Abdul Muhammad Sahab. But this was the fill in the blanks of the religious leader, political leader having transferred. कोई व्यक्ति जाएगा, कोई भी पद खाली नहीं रहता है. एक व्यक्ति अगर ऑल ऑफ सडन दुनिया से जाएगा तो उस पर किसी न किसी को उत्तराधिकारी के तौर पर किसी न किसी रूप में एक जनमत के आधार पर उसकी नियुक्ति, उसका अपॉइंटमेंट होगा. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन द केस ऑफ मोहम्मद साहब इट वाज नॉट हैपेंड. ऑल ऑफ सडन इमेजिन 32 ही नेवर डिक्लेयर्ड हिज रीन. अपना उत्तराधिकारी उन्होंने किसी को चुना नहीं था, तो संकट हुआ. मोहम्मद साहब के पास जो प्रोमिनेंट लीडर्स थे, जो इम्पैक्ट डाल सकते थे, उट वाज द स्पेशल कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ leader to expansion in the having responsible job. They were in very hyper ambition conditions, so the naturally clashed between the mental thought, having captured the power, something declared a prophet, something declared, some personality declared himself prophet after prophet, declared itself, declared himself as prophet, अपने आप को खुद खलीफा डिक्लेयर कर दिए. तो आई वॉन्ट टू जस्ट मूव द इवेंट्स फ्रॉम हियर. हैविंग expired, this was the crisis and clashing among the followers. Ummah was in strong position, Ummah transferred power, and this was the sudden result, division of Muslim community. Division of Muslim community. When the question is being asked, what was the main reason of division of Muslim community, you have to strongly mention having transfer power of the Ummah. Having transfer from the Ummah, having the death of the Muhammad Sahab, it was the administrator Ummah having taken charge of administrator. A big crisis created among Muslim communities. As the result, division of Muslim communities came into existence, because this was the conflict of power. This was the conflict of power. After that, Ummah's transferred. Having death of Muhammad Sahab, there were 4 khalifas. There were 4 khalifas came into existence, which was the major point in the Islamic country. This was the 32 Ummahs from 600 to 32, and this already I mentioned 661. The first Khalifa was Abu Bakr. First Khalifas, 632. Many very important question. How many Khalifas were responsible having expired day of the Muhammad Sahab? Ummah's transferred power, because it was not successful, and very problems here. The Ummah's administered on the power 632, 600, Umar's Bakr 632 to 636. 636. It was the regime of the Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr tried to control the conflicts. Abu Bakr tried to capture the external dangers. They tried to a real adjustment. Whatever crises have been generated in the Muslim communities, it was a very, very out internal dangers. What were the problems were raging? Abu Bakr contributed a very slightly to tackle the solution of the 632, 636. And the second Khalifa was Umar. Their regime was 636 to 642. Also, a very, very important role of the Umar, having controlled all kinds of situations and tries to Syria, Iran, Iraq and Egypt, and were at the point included in the Muslim Empire under leadership of Abd Umayyad, Syria, Iran, Iraq and Egypt. I am talking about that the conclusion way, what were the impact, what were the events took place in particular leadership of the Caliphs. So this is very important date of the Abu Bakr, the first Caliph 632 to 636 and third Umar 636 to 642. Three more points of the countries Syria, Iran, Iraq included in this Muslim dynasty, in the Muslim expansion. And the third Khalifa was Uthman, a very, very important turning point in the reference of this was the 642 to 656. This was the reign. Very important topic you have to mention in the development of the Muslim dynasty, having expiry year of the Muhammad Sahab. This was the Umar and more Khalifas. More four Khalifas are very, very important facts. You have to definitely mention very clearly, and four Khalifas were Ali 656 to 661. This was the complete history of the Muslim Empire. This was the consequences. 622 in 632, I took part the first position. 632, having established in Medina, what were the contributions of Muhammad Sahab? Just expansion and increasing the followers of the Muslim, and totally complete protection of his followers. Everything was running very slightly and brilliant way. And all of a sudden one day came when in particular date of the 632 Muhammad Sahab passed away. It was the little bit crisis before the Muhammad Sahab, and from 600 to 32, it was the very, very important consequences that took place in the history of the Muslim land. 632, 631, and this was the main cause of the Ummah transferred power as the result division of the Muslim. After that, four Khalifas took charge in separate way. Abu Bakr 632, 636 and 632, 642, and Uthman 642, 656 and Ali. This question can be asked in the 4 marks. How many Khalifas were reigned after the Umayyad have been partition of the division of Muslim communities? You have to mention properly. First Abu Bakr, second Umar, third Uthman and Ali. And this Uthman was assassinated and captured. Uthman captured. The consequence result, having rule of the four Khalifas, result Makkah was captured. Mecca was captured, and complete drastic expansion of the Mughal dynasty, because Mecca under the rule of the Ottoman, it was captured, drastically faced a big challenge from the Mecca. It has been suppressed. And in the regarding the taxation, when the Medina imposed the taxation of the Mecca's farmers, they were not in condition of tolerable position. So he revolted against the Mecca, and at that time the Ottoman regime was running and totally suppressed the people of the Mecca and totally captured the person of the Mecca, was captured in the reign of the Ottoman, and they also provided a lot of facilities. But unfortunately, in the incident of assassination, when he was paying his devotion in the shrine, somebody got assassination to Ottoman. And the last Ali, so this was the expansion, 656 and 661, the administrative skill. One more things, Mecca was made administrative capital. More two things finally I want to observe. Administrative capital, sorry, Medina, very sorry, Medina made, and Mecca cultural and religious capital, because Mecca was captured, capital. This is the very important question can be asked from the Medina made the administrative capital of the Islam, this, and Mecca cultural and religion capital. Two questions can be asked in examination in the regarding of the Muslim lands. What was the Medina status? You have to mention here administrative capital regarding to Medina, and second, Mecca was the cultural and activities, and responses and responsibilities have been divided, having symbolics a form of the two capital. First administrative capitals was Medina, and Mecca has been made cultural and religious capital, and this was the very easy form to survive the expansion of the rules, and taking proper care among all the followers and tax farmers. This was easy to take the very balanced administration, having two parts have been divided here. This was the complete expansion of the Islam, how Muhammad Sahab got death, how many Khalifas, and what was the role of Ummah, transferred power, and unsatisfactory situation created, main cause the division of Muslim communities. So these were the facts I taught you today. In next video, I will try to summarize the complete remaining part of this particular chapter. Take complete care and please focus on the examination, because examination is very close to you. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.